What are you, some kind of dirtbag loot goblin?
I was just trying to rush through it. Okay, let me go. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, we read this already. Something about something on the fifth car.
Oh my god.
This game is just like, so far it's like half of it, half transitions, and like 40% cutscenes, and
Staff
10%
only?
gameplay. Oh, it's like on the other side.
It's locked from the other side. Break the window!
Okay. Something tells me I gotta kill him. Oh shit. What if I lead him down to Billy Hope?
Uh-oh. What did you do?
What? He shot two
Oh
of
my
them.
god.
And you shot me. Oh, holy shit!
Chaos control?
No chaos. Oh yes. I changed I changed my mind about this game. Everything I've ever said.
She just... Oh god.
I've never used a
Can
gun
you-
before.
Come to me.
And now that you've collected ample cum,
Ample amounts of the life
Who is
fluid.
that guy?
Jesus.
Like he's gonna, like she's gonna tell him.
Go and check out the first engine car. Listen, we
I
gotta
love you.
cooperate with each other from now on. You got that?
Well, I don't.
Clue in, girl. Or maybe you like being worm bait.
Oh my
Alright.
god.
But you just remember, I will shoot you if you try anything funny.
Like shooting me.
If you find anything, give me a call. All right?
Player manual 2. Character switch.
Character switching. Oh my god.
You can switch control between the two lead characters, Rebecca and Billy, and use different abilities to progress through the game. What the hell does he do any different? I better be able to just dive like he did. The character you currently control is called the main character. The character you do not control is called a partner character. Oh! Controlling the partner character. The partner character generally moves independently, but you can use R to control them yourself.
Arg.
Selecting partner on the status screen allows you to assign instructions to the character. Okay. Solo. The characters move independently. Team. Partner follows the main character. Okay. Partner attacks automatically. Idle. Partner will not attack. You can also press back to switch between solo and team behavior. Switching characters. Press Y to... Okay, at the status screen, to switch characters, you will need to switch characters in order to progress in certain situations. Exchanging items. You can't... when your partner... Okay, I get it. Okay, here we go. Rebecca has the following attributes. Can combine herb-related items, weak defense... Oh, because she's a woman.
Can use a mixing set.
Set to combine chemicals. Okay. Billy has the following attributes. Cannot combine herb-related items. Strong offense, can push many large objects because he's a strong man. If the partner character is
Can
attacked,
punch boulders.
both the main partner and the main and partner characters will die if they take too much damage. You should always keep an eye on their condition. A partner being attacked in a different room will call for help over the radio. Oh my god! If you, I can't wait to go through like 10 transitions to get to them. If your partner does call, go help as quickly as possible, as quickly as the game allows me. Some puzzles cannot be solved by only one character. When you are stuck, try to see if using your partner will help. Okay. This is gonna be great.
This is an Avengers level threat.
Oh, okay. Oh, she reloaded. Okay. What does he have? Used condom.
Personal. Idle attack solo team.
This is exactly. Use. I don't need to use this right now.
You remember Badger's word for teammates?
Let's split up.
Okay,
Live ammo
Let's
boxes
regroup.
okay.
or live ammo. Live something.
Live something. Alright, what's over here? Emergency. We can leave.
There's a ladder here.
Climb up the ladder. Let's go. Oh my
Uh
god.
oh. Now that we're up here, we're safe.
Why did you follow me? Is it? I didn't actually. What? I 100% thought that the train was not moving. When did it start moving?
Wait a minute, you're right. Hold on, something's not adding up here.
Ah, cables. Disconnected. Reconnect the cable. Oh, I know what I'm doing.
The power cable's been disconnected. That's why the train hasn't started.
What's?
Oh no, more guns.
Oh Christ.
Oh no.
That's where
Darn.
the cum hides.
No, dang.
Am I just stuck with this guy?
I found it.
What if she does it? Billy! Billy! Holy shit. The old control scheme is back. She not you can't reach it from up here. What?
You can switch, right?
Yes, I can. I switched to her.
But you can't switch back?
What the hell?
What?
You can't reach it from up here.
Reach what?
I don't know. I'm trying to go in the hole.
You can't reach the hole from up there.
Okay. What the
It's a
hell?
pretty neat transition.
It's in the microwave. Stop. Explore. Call the service. Yeah, why not? What's it gonna be?
She's in there.
Place an item
Place
here?
an item.
What does it do?
Oh, you're gonna need it to solve a puzzle.
Oh, fuck. Does she need to go back?
Get the herb. Can you pick up the herb?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Let's see.
Hey.
Alright, we're both fine. Let's see here.
Oh, now she can open the thing.
Okay, I'm guessing the train key is what. You dumb bitch. Why'd you throw it away? And the keyhole. It's preventing the doorknob from turning. That's not how that works. You could probably get it out if you had something
If you
sharp.
had something. Oh, sharp.
Oh, okay.
You could probably do something if you had something.
Hold on. Ah! Wasn't expecting that move.
Moonwalking. Oh no, he's Michael Jackson.
Oh, I'm gonna drink more fucking alcohol.
This is way too fun for how bad it is.
An enemy. Back, I say.
Hey Billy, anime girls aren't worth your time. Take that back.
POV, step foot in the UK. Okay, so I'm stuck in here. Oh yeah, I haven't even tried opening it with this. Something sharp. Yeah, bitch.
Try stabbing it.
Oh.
Knife the sky. Up and
the
down.
fuck? Oh,
I don't know. Try just use.
it's already equipped. Yeah, equip. Doesn't let me use. Use. I combine the gun and the knife? That'd be amazing.
Gun knife. Knife guns.
Are you alive up there?
Alright. It's good.
Okay, she... Oh, something sharp? So I'm guessing I need to give her this key through here. And she gives
Oh
me
my
something
God.
something sharp. I have something sharp. Or what else could it mean? It clearly means the knife. Whatever. Okay. She needs to go back. I
Yeah.
guess.
Take her somewhere.
What? Her controls are fucked. Turn around. Her controls are so fucked. No.
Oh my God.
See, this is what happens when I tell a woman to listen to me.
Classic Rebecca.
Rebecca, you fuck. Don't.
Wait, try moving backwards by just aiming and throwing her backward, making her step back.
She won't aim up here. No, no. Why are you turning? This is really annoying. I take back what I said. This game's awful.
Try doing it from like her point of view. Like
No.
you're trying to move forward, just move forward. Yeah,
That's-
just
you,
move
you
up.
don't understand. That's what I've been doing. This is moving forward. Oh, okay, there you go.
Try-
I'm using the other control screen.
Camera point of view.
Okay.
Oh my God.
I'm sweating. I'm actually sweating. It's mostly the alcohol. The other is my unyielding rage. Pop down the ladder, yes.
Think about it. I'm waiting at one point for one of them to turn around and there's an enemy. Is this it?
Hold on. It's locked from the other side. Pretty sure that's where he comes out of. But we turned on the power, so
Comes.
pretty sure this door over here is open.
Oh, you're right.
Oh, there you go. Alright. Now let's I turn off the sink. And wood with various types of food. That doesn't seem to be anything I've used. Ah, shit. Well, don't be picky, bitch.
You.
It's locked on the other side. Yeah. I actually found some
Excellent.
kind of tool to open it. Okay. Well, like a knife?
What kind? Something sharp.
Anything of use?
Oh my God, you're gonna need
there
to
it
get
is.
a knife from here.
Let's just stop the second floor. Let's first look.
No. Now, put the key in there. Right?
Yeah, you're right.
Hand on his crotch.
What the fuck? I just standing there. Okay. I want to put her like in clear view of the camera for when I come back to her. Okay.
Oh, you think you can open that thing with the knife?
Oh. No. What if we just send him spoiled food?
You're gonna need your strength in the days to come.
Okay. Guess we can switch back. Oh, again, I want to put him in clear view of the camera. It looks better over here. Okay.
It's facing the wall.
Okay. It's just a jar of piss.
She opens. She opens it. It's a live grenade.
I guess there's a third person on board. Yeah.
From the other side.
So, is it the knife?
Can you open that It looks like a refrigerator.
Oh, right here. Industrial size.
Industrial
Oh, you're
size.
not wrong. Cooking
Shelf full of
utensils.
cooking utensils. Nothing of consequence. Some kind of tool.
Nothing of use. Nothing of use. Okay. Maybe it is a knife. Let's go back to this loon. Alright. Wait, hold on. I haven't stopped to check if there's anything. Like. Did I? Nah, it doesn't matter. Just give him the knife.
If there's anything where?
Oh, it's too large.
Too large. It's in charge.
Oh my gun. What? No!
Oh,
I
fuck.
need that.
Press the button.
No. Give me that back. You fucking bitch. Wait a minute. Where is it?
What? Pick it up. You put it down. You just didn't take it.
There's an item in here.
There's an item.
Whoa! Holy shit. How'd this get here?
It came out of nowhere. Oh my god, it's fucking spawning things. Floor.
Oh shit. That's amazing. It's beautiful. So the knife doesn't work. And I just sent the key over. Well, the key's got to do something. Okay.
What about it back at the front
Let's give that a shot.
with the conductor and the? Well, you can't.
Fuck.
Not the one with the key card.
Right. Maybe the conductor?
The conductor's door.
If it's that far back, I'm gonna be annoyed. Truthfully.
I'm gonna piss your pants.
Fuck off.
Oh. when you're single.
Okay.
Hi. Oh.
Woman.
Well, I think the zombies are a good sign. The fact that they keep waking up.
Right. Well, there's no more dogs in here, though. Oh, hey.
Oh.
Train key. You don't seem to need this key anymore, throw it away. No. Oh, no, they're fucking. Oh. Hi. The map. That's where Billy is, I guess.
No, I'm pretty sure that's where Billy is. Because he's on the second floor. He came in directly from the roof.
Oh, you right. Oh, hey.
He combined the red and the green ones. The red one can't be used on its own. So all its whole use would be,
To combine it with.
yeah. Try examining him. Oh, well, alright, there it is. Try examining that. Does it give a description? They defy gravity.
I don't think so.
Alright.
Okay. Note from the conductor. Help! The key. The key card from the driver's
I'm
compartment.
dead.
If you're reading this, compartment
Alright.
is in my bag as always. But I need the other guy's key too to open the damn thing. Oh fuck! Better throw it away. But it looks like I've lost it somewhere. Good job. If it was a normal key, someone would be sure to turn it in. But this key is different.
It's a card.
Right? I'll look for it too. But if you happen to find it, please hand it in. Thanks in advance. Note from conductor. Aye, aye. Aye, aye, aye.
Oi, 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 oi. Go to travel on the next one. Hey, it's
Different
back.
case. Yeah. Since we're looting now. Alright, what is that?
Brief the take case.
Use. You need to use. Wait, what's the point then? Queso chiste.
Oh my god.
Oh, what's this? Switch here. Flip it. You just hear distant screaming.
The train comes to a grinding halt. She hits the fucking wall with her face.
Alright, climb up the ladder. Sure. What the fuck is Billy doing? By now.
Might want to check on him.
What the fuck?
It took that to get behind the bar. Something sharp.
It's fallen over. An emergency brake act. I don't think there's any brake.
How is it running
Yeah.
if there's no one alive?
Mediterranean style shrimp.
Carpaccio.
Roast chicken. Join the party. The picture shows a group of people having a wild party. Yeah, it's pretty wild.
Can you see the? Oh,
The train's alive.
Billy.
Oh hell yeah, herbs.
Herbs. Herbs.
What?
That was weird.
My favorite.
Ass.